Happy snow day, everybody. Today's assignment is the worksheet that I gave you in class yesterday. If you don't have it, contact me and I can get you a copy of it in the email. So I'm going to do the first, it's all a review assignment for the test next week. So I'm going to do the first problem in every section just to remind you how to do them. So in the first section, we are writing numbers in scientific notation. So this number here is in standard notation. It's 0.0003. And what we need for scientific notation is we need the decimal to go after the first numeral that's not a 0. So if I look here, I'd have to jump 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So the answer is going to be 3.0. So that's where the decimal is going to go. And you know, I always count it from here. So if I was starting here at this point, I would have to go back 4 places to get back to where I started. So that's the negative direction, which would be negative 4 places. So now when I write my answer, I write 3.0 times 10 to the negative 4. However many places I had to move. All right, that's the first example. The next example, the next section is number 11. And in this section, we're combining and simplifying expressions with exponents. So I have u v to the negative 4 times, 4u to the negative 4 v squared. All right, so this is all multiplication. I have some negative exponents, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put it all together so that I only have one of each letter. I'm going to write the number first. So I'm going to put the 4 first. Then I have a u, and you remember there's an understood 1 with this u. U to the first times u to the negative 4, and I add those exponents. A positive 1 and a negative 4 gives me a negative 3. Then I have v to the negative 4 and v to the squared. A negative 4 and a positive 2. Oh, I forgot the u. So it's u to the negative 3, and v, negative 4 and positive 2 is negative 2. All right, now I'm not done yet. You know, we can't leave it with negative exponents. So I'm going to draw a fraction line. Every time we have negative exponents, we start by drawing a fraction line. The 4 does not have an exponent. It is not with the negative 3. So you think, does the 4 move? No, it does not. It stays on the top. Does the u move? Yes, it has a negative exponent, so it moves to the bottom, and the exponent becomes positive. Does the v move? Yes, and it becomes a positive 2. So I don't have any repeated letters, and I don't have anything that can be reduced, so this is complete. Let's see, I have to figure out how to go to a new page. Let's try that. There we go. All right. There's only one more type of problem. When we go to number 21, on number 21 it has parentheses. So it's 4a to the negative 1, b to the negative 1, all of that to the third. All right, so the first thing we have to do is take care of the parentheses. We take care of the parentheses by putting that 3 with every single base. Remember, I have 4 as its own base. So 4 is a base, A is a base, and B is a base. You got to think of them all separately. So this is going to be 4 to the third. And A, when you take a power to another power, if you got one base and two exponents that are going with it, you're going to multiply them. 3 times -1 is -3. And B, -1 times 3 is also -3. So now I want to simplify this further. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a fraction line because I have negative exponents. 4 to the third is a positive exponent, so that's staying on the top. My A is going to move to the bottom. My B is going to move to the bottom. Now the only thing left that I need to do is they don't want me to leave it as 4 to the third. They want me to say what number that is. So that is going to be 64 over A to the third, B to the third. And that's that answer. All right, so try to get through all of those, and we will go over them on Monday. Have a great snow day. Bye.